Hello friends, how are you doing today? Let's draw a simple sketch. In this sketch we are going to show a man working for his agricultural field, and in this point he is working in his fisheries project. So he is feeding the fishes on the side of the pond or the water body. So let's start the drawing, and now you can see that I'm drawing his head. Alright, you can see the whole drawing. In some moments we can move the canvases for the purpose of making the drawing easy, but the total drawing you can view easily, as I am always trying to put everything inside the camera. Alright, so now we are going to draw the right hand. As you know, he is wearing a dress, so there are some wrinkles in his dress. Okay, I'm going to put a bucket in his hand. So this is the double racks for the bucket. All right, so he is holding another staff with his left hand, and the dress he is wearing, you can see I'm also putting few wrinkles in his hands. All right, and the legs, which is visible at the bottom, and the other legs you can see. Okay, now we're going to draw a line of the projects which is running, and he's standing on a side. This is the other lines, and we're drawing it here. This is the finishing points, and you know, we can see few structures at the last end, which is used to be the border lines of the project. So for the sketch, this is just few lines to show the points. All right, so you can see all the points here. Okay, and another lines you can see here. All right, the dress, the extensions is going to be here. So the drawing, this is the basic outline. Now we're going to put the colors. Let's use the crayon colors. So we're putting the green, the total surface, You can see the green shades all over the drawing and the surface lines. Alright, so the drawing is going to look nice. You can see from here. Okay, so the green lines, those are used to show the grasses, and we're going to put another lines and another color to show the banks of the water body. You can see from here, and this is the part of the water body. All right, you can see the structures on the last end of the fence. We're going to put in the lines for that structure. All right, so the visibility, this is nice, and we're going to put the blue color for the water. So this is the water. We're going to put blue color for this purpose. You can see from the drawing the color. Now let's draw the man and make a sketch on him. Let's put the hair on top. You can see the dark hair. All right, and the body, you can put some shades around the wrinkled points. That's going to make the drawing nice one. All right, so you can see again the drawing I'm going to do right here, and the body of the person who is working is getting visible. All right, let's put a uniform lighter shade all over the body here. I'm putting the wax to show the visibility. So the person is working here, and you can see the things is in his hands. So he used to work with that thing. Okay, some points are darker and some points are lighter, you can see. All right, this is the bucket he is working with. All right, so this is getting visible. I'm just putting few shades on the corners of the bucket. Okay, this is how the drawing is going to be more visible. All right, as you can see, the reflections of the light inside the bucket is going to be more darker, so I'm going to put a more darker shades inside of the bucket. All right, few lines are going along the lines here, along the border lines. Okay, and the legs here you can see. So the dress is wearing, this is a very nice dress, you can see. Let's put some yellow color to the face. This is a bright color. All right, color is going to be bright. Now we're going to put the purple color for the bottom part, and let's put another pink color on top of the sketch and the dress. In some cases we are going to do some details, as you know, for the uh, water body in the side, and you can put some shades and ups and downs, the contour, you know. This is not plain, this is the land, so in some places maybe some parts are broken or some parts are ups and downs, maybe. So this is the drawing, and we can also put few strokes for the water body behind him and draw something on the contour. Okay, and also we are going to put the black color on top of the fences, as you can see in a far distance, and put colors on some poles too. Okay, so the drawing, this is almost finished. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on so that you don't miss any updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.